this right here is the breaking news all over the world right now, because right now the 3i Atlas, which is the most puzzle object that we have ever discovered in space, which is currently said to be moving towards Earth, and it's moving in such a phase that it doesn't look like it's some sort of an asteroid. Well, Professor Avi Loeb, who is the space research professor, has already been saying that this is not some sort of an asteroid. This is legitimately some sort of an alien technology that is actually coming towards Earth. Now, a lot of scientists, a lot of people who have worked behind this stuff, they've already been warning us, stating that these alien things that they talk about is basically the spiritual beings, which are things that we have already warned about in many religious and spiritual scriptures, where some of us know them as the Anunnakis or the fallen angels from the scripture of Bible. And these things, apparently they exist somewhere out there, and the government has already known about these things for many years, but then they never really reveal this information to the public eyes. But right now, what James Webb's telescope has just captured is that this object is currently releasing about 70 kilograms of carbon dioxide every single second. Can you imagine? 70 kilograms is a massive amount of CO2 that is being released by this object. And this was only calculated based on the distance and the things that we can currently see using the James Webb telescope. But then as we get closer to this object, as it gets closer to the sun and Earth, then now scientists actually believe that the object could be much larger than what they've been expecting. Now, for all these days, NASA has been stating that these are just comets. You don't have to worry about them. It's not some sort of a spacecraft or aliens or whatever. But now, after the new latest findings, which just came out a few hours ago, it seems that comets are rocks which basically displays water vapor and a classic water-based coma substance, where the 3i Atlas, it's releasing carbon dioxide, which is something that's usually used by motors or engines, as though you're burning some sort of a fuel that's helping push this object into the space. Now, you guys should actually take a look at what Professor Avi Loeb has to say in the Fox News, where he actually did an interview where he basically gave out a lot of information about why he thinks that this is actually a space alien craft that's heading towards Earth, and this could be a lot more dangerous than what we have been expecting so far.